Okay, dear student, today we will learn about Python list and do some program. What is list? List is a mutable sequence of Python. Mutable means we can change the value of elements of list at in place. List may contain different data types. It means a list contains, there may be one element of list is of integer type, another may be of float type, and next may be of string type. Now let us see how list stored in the memory. Suppose this is a list L having value 6, 5, A, B. 6 have index 0, 5 have index 1, A have index 2, and B have index 3. The maximum index value will be less than the length length of list. Okay, the index 0 will contains a reference that refer to the memory location where value 6 is stored. Index 3 stored the reference, this reference refers to the memory location where B is stored. Now what is meaning of mutable? Let us see. Suppose we want to change the value at index 3. We give the command like this: L at index 3 is C equal to C. Then when we print the list, it will show like this: 6, 7, A, and C. Let us do it in Python. We create a list. L is equal to 6, 7, A, and B. Okay. Now print L. It will give 6, 7, A, and B. Let us change the value at its place. L at index 3 have changed values C. Now when we print L, it's like 6, 7, A, and C. Okay. Let us do one program. How to change binary number to its equivalent decimal number. बाइनरी नंबर को डेसिमल नंबर में कैसे चेंज करेंगे? See here, suppose this is a binary number. Suppose here this is a binary number 110101. It have length 6 and weightage of 1 will be 0, means 2 की power 0. 0 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the last index that will be 1 less than the length of the binary number have weightage 2 की power 5. Okay. Manually we do it like this: from unit place 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus next element 0 to the power 1, and like this. Then we add all these values and get the equivalent decimal number here, 53. Now what will be the algorithm to solve this problem? first we input a binary number, then we take the length of it, and then in a variable that will work like an index, we store the value less than less than length, and after then we'll go in loop, and in loop index 5 have weightage 2 to the power 0, then we decrease the index and increase the weightage each times, and we repeat is until the value of I is greater or equal to 0. After this we exit from the loop and get the value. Okay, let us do this program in Python code. Suppose you will see here, this is the program. This is the Python program. Okay, 1 minute. This sharing problem. Something. Open the program and code. Open. Time screen is fast. What is the problem? Resume share. Again share the screen. Here is the program. We make a function here. Function accept the binary number. Here we calculate the length of that binary number and take a variable that will trace the index, and it initialize with the value less than length. This is two other variable that will be used. Decimal is equal to 0 and p is equal to 0. Here loop will continue up to I values is greater or equal to 0. Here we see the ni, that is at index 5 unit place, multiplies by 2 to the power 2 times asterisk star sign 2 to the power 0. P value is 0. Next time p will increase and I will decrease, and we will go up to the index 0 equal to 0 sign up to the index 0 and calculate the equivalent decimal value. Then function will return the decimal value. Okay. Now here program will start. We input a binary number and call this function. This function will the equivalent decimal number that will go for printing. Let us run the program. One one zero 101. Answer is 53. Okay. By this way, we can make a program to convert a binary number to its equivalent decimal number. Now there is one assignment for you. You do coding for reverse of it, that is to convert a decimal number to its equivalent binary number. Okay. Thanks. Have a nice day.